Hi everybody, it's Make It Monday, and today we are going to create no paint abstract watercolors. So I've got the paper down on my work surface and I've got my plastic Ziploc baggie ready to go. So the first step on our project is to apply color onto this plastic bag, and we can do that using the water-based washable markers. And you do need that for this project to be successful. We're just going to apply color onto our plastic bag, however you would like to get it on there, in whatever design. I've started with a circle, and then I'm just going to kind of apply color around it. You could do lines or squiggles. I go in and I'm going to use some of those finer markers as well, get some different colors. I'm going to put some blues in there now. What pattern are you putting down? Are you doing lines? Are you doing squiggles? Are you doing both? Just to remember that when you are finished this project, it's not going to look like what you've drawn because it is abstract. Let's get some pink on there. And I'm going to go in one more time, fill in a couple of those spaces with a few more bits of color. And we're going to go into the next step of the project where the real magic happens. Okay, get the markers out of the way. So this is what's on the plastic bag, just selections of color. Okay, now that spray bottle with the water in it, we're going to spray water onto the plastic bag. Now when we're doing this, we don't want to use the stream. We want to make sure that it's on mist because we want just a fine amount. Stream would cause the ink to spray all over, probably on the table and maybe on you too. So we're just going to start by putting a light little bit, and when you look down on it, you'll see that the ink is starting to react with the water. Now we're going to put a little extra water, so we want quite a bit of water on here. That's going to be the trick into transferring it onto the paper. So today for this project, I am just using a white paper that I had on my computer printer. Now I'm going to take and place this on top of the plastic. You can do this two different ways. You can press this down now, or you can take and flip it and press it that way, which is what I'm going to do. And push down and transfer the ink onto the paper. You'll see some of the marker and water is mixing together and creating new colors, like down in this corner. This is what is happening underneath there. And then move it out to the edges. Okay, shall we see what's happening? Peeling off the plastic bag, and our colors have transferred to our paper. Paper is quite wet, so we're going to need that to dry, and we're going to see what happens. I'm going to set this aside and let it dry. I think I'm going to make another one. I would like to see how your projects turned out after they dry, and you know how you can do that? You can take a picture of your work and go back to our Facebook page, so Cosmopolitan Industries Facebook page, and underneath this video in the comments section, take a picture and post how your work turned out. I'm going to do that with mine when it's dry so you can see how they turned out. And I'm going to do one more on my own, and I'm going to put that one down there too. I really hope you take the time to try this project. It's lots of fun. I like the unknown on this. So when you're applying the colors in the water and the reaction and the transfer process, creates something really unique. And I think if I let that dry and frame it, it's going to be really quite pretty. Can't wait to see your projects. Thank you for joining me on Make It Monday, and I will see you here again on Friday for Find It Friday.